Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the Line Smash game. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Line Smash game. This is a completely free game and easy to play, and it is also a great time killer. So download it and open it right now. On the home screen, tap on play to start the game. On this game you have to fly a spaceship and smash lines. But you have to remember that you can only break through the white and yellow lines. If you break through the red line, your game will be over and you have to start over again. And you cannot break through the black line. All you have to do is avoid the black and red lines and go zigzag through the yellow and white lines. And that's how you earn score on this game. It is a very good time killer if you're waiting for someone. All you have to do is go zigzag like this and avoid the red lines. And that's how you can play Line Smash game. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.